Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ano itong chismis na narinig ko for today's video, which is issue escalate Colette and a fanboy rumor. Rumors spread about Colette and fanboy insights by P-Pop Insider. Actually, gusto ko dito gumawa ng content si P-Pop Insider kasi parang something like may nakuha din ata akong mga video sa kanya before na ginawan ko din ng reaction video. And quality din siya gumawa ng what you call this, ng mga ganitong klaseng content. So, I won't take any longer. May mga papanoorin din tayo dito for today's video na mga, what do you call this? Video na mga chismis, should I say. But ito muna, sino to? Sino itong fanboy na ito at bakit siya nalilink kay Colette? At feeling ko importante itong fanboy na ito kasi ginawa talaga siya ng content, should I say? So, without further ado, anong klaseng rumor ito?
There have been rumors circulating on social media about Binny Collett and Tristan Cabrera, also known as
Yawi.
Fans have...
No way. No way. Hindi ko to alam. Si Yawi? No way. Colette, please, no. Charis.
There have been rumors circulating on social media about Binny Collett and Tristan Cabrera, also known as Yawi. Fans have noticed that the popular Mobile Legends pro player has been frequently reposting TikToks related to Collett. This has led many to wonder if there's something going on between the two.
Oh my God.
Familiar, Tristan Cabrera, or Yawi, is a professional Mobile Legends player in the Philippines.
Yes.
He has earned several championships in the MS.
Oh my God. Talaga ba? Pero baka ano naman, baka naman fanboy lang siya. Tapos kasi di ba madami din, for example ako, marami din naman akong repost. Kasi fan ako. Pero hindi naman ako nai-issue kasi hindi naman ako sikat. Diba? So maybe ngayon nai-issue lang siya because sikat si Yawi. Right? Pero baka wala na din naman. Baka wala din naman. Diba?
With one of his major achievements being his team's victory
baka wala din
at the
naman.
World Championship in 2023. The rumors gained more attention when fans noticed Yawi's phone wallpaper during a live stream right before his phone.
Wait. Seriously?
The rumors gained more attention when fans noticed Yawi's phone wallpaper during
seryoso ba? Paano nakita? Paano nakita?
being his team's victory at the M4 World Championship in 2023. The rumors gained more attention when fans noticed Yawi's phone wallpaper during a live stream right before his phone suddenly turned off.
Ay, ganun?
Yawi explained that there was no issue to spread, as he's simply a fan of Binny and there's nothing wrong with
Kasi Colette ang bias niya. Gwapo din to si Yawi. Kasi nga lang parang may, I don't wanna judge, pero based on my opinion, na parang hindi naman to facta. Parang naano ko lang na, what do you call this, naba-vibes ko lang na parang parang medyo may onting red flag lang din naman.
Many others do.
Ay, gago ka, napatay ko.
Nakita pa?
Nakita pa yun.
Ay, gago, nakita yung wallpaper niya nga. Which si Colette nga. Pero, sure ba? Ganun na talaga kataas na level ang pagiging fanboy ni Yawi na ginawa niyang wallpaper ang ni Colette? Picture?
Ay, tama yung wallpaper sa cellphone ko na lang.
Saka bakit ka affected kung wallpaper and fanboy? Actually, yan din eh. Sinabi ni Yawi, medyo contradicting, no? Sinabi ni Yawi na wala namang issue. Pagiging fanboy lang daw niya. Pero bakit ganun yung epekto mo? Kasi alam niya na gagawa ng issue. Minention niya si Colette. So, may genuine yung sinabi niya na parang wala talaga. There's nothing going on between the two of them, right?
Guys, sobrang fanboy lang talaga, guys.
Fanboy talaga siya.
Wala pa ako. Guys, sobrang fanboy lang ako, ginabash.
Huwag niyo iba. Bakit ka naman ibabash?
Even more traction when Binny Joanna was asked in a recent interview if anyone is currently courting them. She answered honestly, saying yes, as it would be a lie to say otherwise. However, she emphasized that they aren't focused on relationships at the moment because they are prioritizing their careers.
Okay.
Joanna also shared in their live stream that there aren't enough hours in the day, so they can't dedicate time to their love lives right now.
Alam ko, wala daw love life ang mga bini. Wala.
Walang love
May
life.
nagliligaw sa'yo, feeling ko. May
Po?
nagliligaw sa'yo.
Pakabait niyo talagang bata.
Meron naman.
Po?
Apo. Pero hindi lang po talaga priority.
Pakabait na bata,
Guys, I'd be lying pag sinabi ko walang nanliligaw sa atin. Normal na tao din naman po kami. Pero ang sinasabi ko dun sa interview, hindi po namin priority ang love life ngayon. Kasi kulang po ang 24 hours namin sa isang araw. Magla-love life pa po ba kami?
True naman.
Yawi is also known for not staying long in his
Yes,
previous relationships, which led to some mild hate from fans. Khaled even called out the public to stop linking them to these rumors since there is no truth to what
Kasi
people
kulat
are
na
saying.
mismong nagsabi.
In my
Huwag yung
opinion,
gawin ng
there's
issue.
nothing wrong with Yawi being a fanboy and using Khaled's photo
Huwag
as
niyo
his
nga
wallpaper.
po, pwes. Dahil single si Kulet, gawa tayo ng makulet for
We
today's
need to
video.
remember that we don't
Hindi mo
control
kaya.
the lives of our idols,
Yep.
and we can't dictate their decisions.
True naman.
Let's all respect their privacy and stay out of their personal lives, as that's the right thing to do.
I couldn't agree mo.
Ang ano yung mga sinasabi nila sa tweets na okay lang, Jo, basta wag yung ganitong mukha, wag yung ganitong mukha.
Ay, grabe. Totoo ba? Blooms, hindi ganyan
Grabe! Hindi niya makokontrol kung sinong
You can control who wants to love. Totoo yan. Blooms, huwag ganun. Huwag ganun, Blooms. Isa pa naman before ang mga Blooms. Oh my God, pati yung Bini, napapansin ang mga ganyang klaseng attitude. Hindi naman lahat, okay? Sa mga lang na gumaganyan. Di ba? Dati, Blooms ang isa sa mga Blooms and Aces. Mga mamababait yan na fandom. Sa totoo lang, ano nangyari? Bakit may mga pagdikta? Di ba? Parang hindi ito before ang Blooms. na nag-start ako mag-reaction video, hindi ito before ang Blooms na naabutan ko. They are very kind. They are very, ano pa ba? Basta mabait sila. Uy, please, don't get me wrong. Kinaklaro ko na ngayon, hindi lahat ng Blooms, Hindi lahat ng Blooms. Okay? Yung mga lang. Yung mga nagsasabi ng mga ganyan lang.
sinasabi nila sa tweets na okay lang, Jo, basta
Diba?
wag yung ganitong mukha, wag yung ganitong mukha.
talaga grabe.
Guys, hindi niya
Talagang
makokontrol kung
grabe.
sinong gusto namin sa buhay. That's it.
Totoo naman. Tapos na, alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the rumor spread about Colette and Fanboy. And a Fanboy. Okay, for me may analysis. Ganun yung reaction ni Yahweh. Ganun yung kasi kanina na misinterpret ko yung action niya. Yung sabi ko, wala naman palang issue, parang contradicting, ganun yung sinabi ko. Pero ganun yung action niya because she knew from the fact na ang mangyayari is ganun. Is ganito kung ano nangyayari. Kaya ganun yung reaction niya nang nakita ang kanyang wallpaper. Pero, clear niya talaga mismo and sinabi niya talaga mismo na sorry guys, fanboy lang. And na ano ko yun, na feel ko yung parang authenticity and pagka-genuine ng pagkakasabi ni Yahweh. Anyways, there you go guys. That's our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!